Problem number 4 on page 397 is a little different problem. It has 5 options A, B, C, D, E as usual, but all those options are graphs, and we are asked to find out which one of the 5 given graphs will have a certain condition which will be met, and that condition is given as no 2 points on the graph have same x coordinate. What does this mean? Find out a graph in which there should not be any 2 points which will have the same x coordinate, and this should be immediately interpreted in this way. When do points have the same x coordinate? Any line which is parallel to y-axis. So all these points will have same x coordinate, whatever that x is here. The y is changing, but x is same. So if a line is perpendicular to x-axis, that line will have points which with different y's but same x. So the first graph comes in that category. So what they have shown in option A is a graph something that looks like this, and they have shown this as right angle. So certainly this is not the graph. What about B? The B option gives a graph which looks like this. Actually it goes from here, doesn't matter. Again, this line and this line, actually this line, this which looks perpendicular, but they have not given this as perpendicular, but this and this, if you draw a line parallel to y, this point and this point, they will have the same x. So B is gone. C graph is given like this. Whatever you logic or analysis you did for this graph, same can be done here. Line parallel to y-axis, these 2 points, they have the same x, same thing for these 2. What about D? This was C. In D they have a graph which is like this. Now if you draw any line parallel to y-axis, it will not cut in 2 points. If you draw horizontal like this, it will have same y but 2 different axes. So this condition is certainly met by D. Then you should not go further to E, but just out of interest I'll show that even E is not the case, and that is the E is given as this. Looks like vertical line, although there is no reason to believe, but it's something like this. So now you again know that any line which is perpendicular to this cuts this into 2, and they will have the same x. So this is gone. So the answer certainly is D.